goes like ooh, yeah, yeah. And it goes like ooh, yeah, yeah.
Hey lovelies, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Genevieve. So guys, I'll be showing you how I achieved the cute hairstyle you saw on my intro. Guys, if you've not seen the ponytail, how I made the kinky ponytail, I'll drop the link in the description box. Please do well to check that out. Okay guys, so we just hit 1,000 subscribers. Yay! Guys, I really appreciate you. I thank you all so much for your support, your love. I appreciate you guys. May God bless you in all your endeavors. So moving on to the hairstyle, I've sectioned out the back of my hair. I'm using the ribbon to tie that out and put that away while I work with the front section first. Guys, when I was making this hair, I never had anything in mind. Like I never had a particular style on my mind. Okay, but what I just needed to do was to just do something in front of my hair and then use the kinky ponytail to just pop in the back. Okay, so I was just doing anything. Okay, so I just did some random crisscross style and then I did some cornrows. All right, so guys, I will allow you to watch this video, okay, because I will not be walking you through it. I'll just allow you to watch and see how I achieve the hairstyle you saw on my intro. Okay guys, I'll be right back.
I got you and your vibes in my mind, I can't get them out, no matter how hard I try. I need you and your heart next to mine, yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions, your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it. It's electric, can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric, I'm up in my feelings. Got double vision cause of you tonight. It's electric. On vibes in my mind, I can't get them out. No matter how hard I try, I need you and your heart next to mine. Yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions. Your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it. It's electric, can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric, I'm up in my feelings. Got double vision 'cause of you tonight. It's electric. I got you and your vibes in my mind, I can't get them. I got you and your vibes in my mind, I can't get them out. No matter how hard I try, I need you and your heart next to mine. Yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions. Your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it. It's electric, can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric, I'm up in my feelings. Got double vision 'cause of you tonight. It's electric. On the vibes in my mind, I can't get them out. No matter how hard I try, I need you and your heart next to mine. Yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions. Your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it. It's electric, can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric, I'm up in my feelings. Got double vision 'cause of you tonight. It's electric.
Alright guys, so this is how it's looking all dried up. Okay, I had to carry it for like an hour for it to dry up. So guys, this is the kinky ponytail I'll be attaching at the back of my hair. It have two combs and then a drawstring. It's actually a drawstring ponytail, okay? So I'll just go on to pop that in. I'll use the combs to secure it properly on my hair, and then I'll use the drawstring to knot it and then tie it round the base so it don't pull off, okay? Alright guys, so this is how I achieve this cute hairstyle. It is so beautiful, okay? Alright guys, so please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the red subscribe button to get subscribed and join the family. Please, let's grow this channel, okay? Please. And I appreciate all my subscribers. I thank you so much for how far we've come. And guys, give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, and then share your thoughts, your comments in the comment section down below. I'll see you all in my next one. Do endeavor to stay safe and be blessed. I love you guys. God loves you more. Bye.
All you left me was a radio, and it goes like ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. And it goes like ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. When I press play, all I hear is you. And it goes like ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. When I press play, all I hear is you. Oh, every single song tells me we're through.